G'day, Nick here from CPAP Batteries. Today I'm going to give you some instructions for using our CB50 camping battery with some of the different CPAP machines that are available. In particular, I'm just going to do the Philips one here because it's a nice easy one because it's a 12 volt machine, but I'll just give you a bit of a chat about how the other ones work. Okay, so it's really as simple as just opening up this little compartment here at the front, which has our sections. Then we also just need to just flick the switch to on, so we've got some power coming through. You will get a DC cable with the pack, and the DC cable there is what runs from your machine to the actual battery, so you can run using the battery. And all we're going to do is just click it into one of these outputs here. These are the 12 volt outputs. All right, and then I'm just going to flick the red switch. It's just here. On, and now you can see that started up. I can hit the button and the machine will start running. Okay, and it'll run for a very, very long time. Now if you've got a ResMed machine, the S9 and the AirSense 10 are 24 volt machines. So we'll supply you with a cord which actually steps up the voltage from the 12 volt outs to 24 volts. So it's important that when you do purchase, you send us through an email letting us know what machine you have, so we can provide you with the necessary DC cord with the package. Okay, the S8 machine is a 12 volt machine, so you won't need that step up converter. If you've got a Fisher & Paykel machine, which are AC DC machines, so they don't actually run off DC voltage, they run off AC 240. What you'll need to use is the inverter here. It's got a built-in 400 watt inverter, so it's pretty basic. You just put your machine, especially if it's an Icon, put it in flight mode, which makes it very economical in terms of its power usage and consumption. And then you plug it in here and just click this button here, which will start this inverter up. And then you'll just run it straight from the actual inverter. And the inverter will change the DC current of the battery to AC, so you can just run it straight from there. Okay, any other machines, DeVilbiss machines, the Sleep Cube is a 12 volt, same thing, you can run it straight from here as well. If you've got a BMC, you'll need to plug it in here. If you've got a Transcend machine, you can also run it from the inverter, unless you have their DC converter cable, which you can use plug straight into the cigarette jack here. Alrighty, so that's just how it operates. That's how you do it. When you're charging it, you can charge up via AC/DC, which is your standard wall socket charger that it comes with. Then you've got your solar input, so if you're getting yourself a solar panel, such as this 50 watt foldable one that we've got there, you plug it in just to the middle here as well. And then you've got your DC, so your DC charges from your car, okay, your cigarette port in your car or somewhere else that you might have a boat, caravan. You know, this looks like a cigarette port. Alrighty. Hope you've enjoyed that little tutorial. If you'd like to shoot us some questions, you're more than welcome to do so. Our email is support@cpapbatteries.com.au. Hope you've enjoyed it. Please like our videos or subscribe to the channel. Thanks very much. Bye.